Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Weight Down Fit app in your device. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. Proceeding to the video, open your App Store or Play Store, then search Weight Down Fit. Then you can see Weight Down Fit app by Trainers CBA Studio. Tap on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app on your device, depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open the app and enjoy using Weight Down Fit to help with your fitness journey. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you guys on our next video. Thank you.